Hello everybody. Today our topic in the Flash animation is motion twinning. So we will learn about how to perform the motion twinning. Last time I told you the shape twinning. Hope you all understood the concept of shape twinning nicely and you all have done the practice also. So today we will do motion twin. To create the motion twin, so we have first of all we have to draw a figure on the work area, on the stage area. This is called the stage. To draw a stage or to draw a figure on the stage, I am just choosing the polystar tool. In the polystar tool, I am just taking the clicking on the options tool, and option tools I'm just taking this style as the star, and star number of slides sides I want for the number of 6, and then click on the OK. This is the star figure I have chosen with the number of sides 6. So I am drawing the star here. This is the star drawn on the stage area. So here I want to change the color, fill color. I am just choosing this color, and for the stroke color I am just choosing this color, and I want to change the width of this stroke color. This is the stroke color width change now. So this is the image I have drawn here on the stage area to perform the motion twin. To create the motion twin, first of all we have to come on the timeline. After drawing the image, come on the timeline. This is the timeline area, and these are the frames, key frames, and these are the frames on the timeline area, and choose any point in the frame area. Suppose I have clicked here, and you can, after clicking on the frame, press the function key F6. After clicking on the function key F6, this area is there to perform your motion twin. So in this, after clicking on the function key F6, your timeline is fixed. Now you have to select the image and move in the particular motion that you want to perform for the motion twin. So I just want to move the star from one place to another place in this direction. So I have move the star from first position to next last position. So when I click on the uh, first frame, the image is here, and when I click on the last frame, the image will be here. So in between I have to create the motion twin. So anywhere in between the frame timeline, click on the right click on the area, and click on the first option, that is motion twin. So this is the image at the when we this is the image appeared when we click on the motion twin. When we look at the first frame, it will be here. When we click at the last frame, it will be here, and in between it will be here. So now this completes the process of the shape twinning. And now to preview the shape twin, we have to press the control plus enter key from the keyboard, and then we can have your preview of the motion twin. So this is called motion twin. I hope you all have understood the concept, and all the best you all. Do the practice and perform the shape twinning. Thank you.